Yes, Dad.
I heard that you are going to marry Mrs. Bhandari's son Suraj Bhandari.
Yes, Dad.
But don't you think Mrs. Bhandari is a very cruel woman?
Yes, Dad. But I am marrying Suraj to teach Mrs. Bhandari a lesson in life.
Okay, but be safe.
Okay, Dad. Thank you. I love you.
Sir, switch the light. Move.
साचा तेरा नाम साचा तेरा नाम तुम ही बनाए बिगड़े काम साचा तेरा नाम तुम ही बनाए बिगड़े
Scene 1.
Good morning, mother-in-law.
Oh, shucks, not again. Why do I see your face early morning?
Mommy-in-law, here is your cup of tea.
I don't want your tea. Secretary! Secretary!
Yes, madam. How may I help you?
Are there no other servant in the house?
Yes, madam. There are.
Then tell her, go away. I don't want her tea.
Okay, madam. Madam, please come this way.
You go.
Okay, madam.
Mommy-in-law, anger is not good for health.
Shut your mouth. I know you kinds of girl very well. You want money? Come. And take how much money you want and get lost from my home and my son's life.
No, mommy-in-law. No, I don't want money. I love you and I love your son.
Oh, Shalu, shut up. Mr. Bhandari! Mr. Bhandari!
What happened, Mrs. Bhandari?
Tell your daughter-in-law something.
Why?
How to speak.
Why?
Tell your daughter-in-law something. How to speak.
Why are you so shouting, Mrs. Bhandari? She brought you tea with love.
Oh, Mr. Bhandari, please shut your mouth.
शादी की बात कभी कुछ बोला अभी तक? तो अभी क्या बोलो?
Oh God, I will go mad.
See?
Mr. Bhandari, Mr. Bhandari, Mr. Bhandari. Oh, Mr. Bhandari.
What happened, Mrs. Bhandari?
Look, my son. He listens pop music and you, the old
बंदर, ये तो बंदर की तरह नाच रहा है। मैं क्या करूं, मैं तो भजन वाला आदमी हूँ भाई।
Oh, Mr. Bhandari, please shut your mouth.
हमेशा बंद ही मुंह रखे।
Oh God, I will go mad.
Scene 3.
Hey Shalu, why do you go to mom when you know she doesn't like you?
Oh, my husband, you go on duty peacefully and don't take attention, okay? I will handle mom.
Oh Shalu, when will you understand?
You go. Come soon in the evening. I will make your favorite aloo parathas.
Okay, give me my bag.
Take.
Daughter-in-law, Pinky and Shalu at home.
Oh, my favorite daughter-in-law. Where are you going?
Oh, blinking hell, none of your business, mom-in-law.
Oh, it's okay. I was just asking you.
Oh, please don't interfere in my business. I'm going for a party with my friends.
Okay, dear.
Pinky, don't speak that way to mom-in-law. Oh, fish, now you will teach me how to speak. Pinky,
Oh, Shalu, how dare to speak my daughter-in-law that way? Oh, Mr. Bhandari! Mr. Bhandari! Mr. Bhandari!
Mrs. Bhandari, why are you shouting again and again?
Please teach your daughter-in-law how to speak.
Mrs. Bhandari, she never said anything wrong.
Oh, Mr. Bhandari, please shut your mouth.
Hamisha.
Secretary! Secretary!
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Please take out the car.
Yes, madam. Yes,
I
madam.
am getting bored, secretary.
Sorry, madam. Sorry, madam. Please come this way.
I am getting late for kitty party.
Yes, madam.
Hey mom,
Oh, son, what happened?
I want 10,000 rupees because I want to give party to my friends.
Okay.
My girls are high today.
Okay, dear, wait. Okay, take 10,000
thanks,
rupees
Mom.
and enjoy with your friends.
Thanks mom, love you mom. Bye mom.
Bye, son.
Boyfriend.
Hi, how are you?
Mike. Hey sis, what are you doing here?
Oh, bro, that's none of your concern, okay?
Who's this guy?
This is my dear. I love him.
I can go somewhere else.
Hey, you back off.
Okay, guys, don't argue. Sam, you go home. I will meet you tomorrow.
So let's go sitting later.
Me too, watch out. You come. You come with me.
Okay.
I see you. Hey mom.
Hey, son, what happened? What happened?
Look, your daughter is dating a guy, and I
What?
caught her.
What?
Look, mom, I love that boy, okay? And I'm going to marry him.
But what does he do? He is rich, he is poor. What his family background?
Nothing, just chills out.
rubbish. Secretary! Secretary!
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Go get this guy.
Oh, yes, madam.
Oh, secretary!
Sorry, madam.
Ding dong.
Oh, you have come home. You must be very tired.
Yes, Shalu. It was a hectic day for me in the office.
Okay, you freshen up. I will serve you your food.
Okay.
My daughter.
Doctor, but what does he do?
Nothing, just chills out.
And you like such a guy?
Yes, mom. What difference does it make? You are rich. You have a lot of money. We can make him a son-in-law.
What rubbish. Secretary! Secretary!
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. How
Please
may I
go
help?
get this guy.
Oh, yes, madam.
Mr. Bhandari! Mr. Bhandari!
What happened, Mrs. Bhandari?
Please call my daughter-in-law Pinky.
Okay. Pinky, come here. Your mother-in-law calling you.
Dad, I am busy putting makeup. Tell her to wait.
Mr. Bhandari, please call soon.
Okay. Pinky, come soon.
Oh, shucks. What is it? Can't you see I am putting makeup?
Please come soon. Your mother-in-law calling you.
Pinky, my legs are paining. Please press my leg.
Ah, how dare you, you old cat? Am I your servant?
But Pinky, I am like your mom.
You are like my mom, but not my mom.
Oh, but Pinky.
Okay, wait, I will show you.
Ah! Ah! Mr. Bhandari! Mr. Bhandari!
What happened, Mrs. Bhandari?
Look what Pinky did.
Wow, very good. You deserve it.
Oh, Mr. Bhandari, please.
She is your favorite daughter-in-law.
Mr. Bhandari, please call Shalu.
You will call yourself.
Oh, Mr. Bhandari.
अब मैं चिड़ियाघर में नहीं रहूंगा.
Shalu!
Yes, mom. Oh my goodness gracious, what happened?
Look what Pinky did.
Okay, come.
Shalu, please forgive me. Please, sorry. Please forgive me, Shalu. Please forgive me.
Mom, don't say sorry. Come, I will press your legs.
Okay, Shalu, please forgive me.
Mrs. Bhandari,
Oh, Mr. Gautam.
see, this is my daughter Shalu.
Oh,
Rich or poor, it doesn't matter. I can proud to say that Shalu is my daughter. See, Mr. Bhandari, what happens?
You know, Mrs. Bhandari, we made a plan for you to teach.
what?
Yes.
Sorry, Mr. Bhandari. Please forgive me. Please forgive me, Mr. Bhandari.
Okay, Mrs. Bhandari.
Mr. Secretary, where are you going?
Now is there only.
Stop this dirty game which you are playing.
No, sir. I am not playing game.
Come with me.
Yes, sir.